Ladies and gentlemen, your attention please. Your Swissair flight LX 633 to Zurich is now ready for boarding.
We have quite a big aircraft today compared to the amount of passengers. We kindly ask you to stay in your originally assigned seat during this flight. This is due to trim reasons of the aircraft. Thank you very much that you don't change your seat during this flight, and we thank you once again for your cooperation.
Thank you for on-time boarding. We should be ready according to schedule within the next 5 to 10 minutes. Start up the engines, depart westbound, make a left turn, overfly the city of Paris towards Basel, and the Zurich, the landing there will be according to schedule. I hope you enjoy your time with us, sit back and relax. 320 à destination de Zurich. Merci d'avoir convoqué à l'heure, on va être prêt dans les prochains 5 à 10 minutes. Ensuite on va mettre en marche les réacteurs, le décollage face à l'ouest. Ensuite on va faire un virage vers de gauche, vers Bâle et Zurich, où l'atterrissage est prévu selon l'horaire. Je vous souhaite un agréable séjour à bord et un très bon vol.
I'm your maître de cabine. Our flight time to Zurich will be 45 minutes today. The whole crew now wishes you a pleasant flight.
Please fasten your seatbelt now, as we are taking off. Because turbulence can occur unexpectedly, you are obliged to have your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. If cabin pressure is lost, oxygen masks will be released automatically. Pull the mask towards your face and cover your nose and mouth. Then help children and other passengers. In case of impact on land or water, position yourself as shown on the screen. You may use either position. In case of an evacuation, follow the illuminated escape path markings and leave all your hand luggage behind. The emergency exits are identified by exit signs and are located as shown on the screen and the safety on board card.
Your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated or the fasten seatbelt sign is on. Please open the baggage racks carefully later on as objects could fall out. At the same time, we recommend that you keep the individual overhead air outlets closed during the whole flight whenever possible. The Swiss Federal Office of Public Health, all passengers arriving in Switzerland from France are obliged to undergo a 10-day quarantine and to report to the relevant cantonal authorities. For further information, please refer to the flyer, which we will also hand out to you. Thank you for reading the leaflet and observing the rules included. Ladies and gentlemen, we ask you to reach into your seat and to fasten your seatbelt. Please make sure that your electronic devices as well as your hand luggage are securely stowed for the landing. Then open the window blinds, put your seat back in the upright position and fold away your table. The safety instructions card is in your seat pocket, wenn für die Landung korrekt verstaut sind. Öffnen Sie die Sonnenblenden, stellen Sie Ihre Sitzlehne senkrecht und klappen Sie den Tisch zurück. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Switzerland. Please keep your seatbelt fastened until the respective cabin sign has been turned off. And please open the baggage racks carefully later on, as objects could fall out. Here in Zurich, we now say goodbye to you and hope you've enjoyed your time with us. Thank you for flying Swiss, and we look forward to welcoming you aboard again soon. We wish you a pleasant afternoon. Until we call your seat row for disembarkation. Thank you.
Cabin crew, disarm the slides.